Hello, boys and girls. How are you? It's me, Sylvia. Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue learning some vocabulary, okay? And some expressions. So here we go. Are you ready? Yes? Okay. Okay, remember this is a pineapple. You like pineapple. Watermelon. Do you like watermelon? Strawberry. Can I have a strawberry? Grapes. These are purple grapes. This is a grapefruit. Grapefruit. Okay, number 40. I see the number 40. Okay. Hammers. Hammer. Hammers are very hard. Pillow. Pillow. Your pillow is soft. Smooth. Smooth. Rough. Rough. Okay. Lemon juice is sour. Sour. Okay. Bitter. Bitter. Coffee is bitter. Salty. Salty. Fries are salty. Sweet. Sweet. Cake is sweet. Okay, do you see the slide? You see the little girl? Yes? On top, bottom, on top, bottom. Okay, what do you see? Okay, it's a toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay, he uses toothpaste and toothbrush every day. Excellent. Okay, brush, brush. My brush is big. Onion, onion. This is an onion. Spinach, spinach. We eat salad with spinach. Broccoli, broccoli. She doesn't like broccoli. Tomato, tomato. I want tomato in my sandwich. Potato, potato. I see a brown potato. Okay, remember, play, learn, and grow together. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.